to be denied. I'm desperate, I cannot be denied. This is Kenil Palmer, aka Minister Palmer from the Intercessory Prayer Group Wall. And I want to encourage you that this Thursday, the 2nd of January, you need to call the prayer line. Let me tell you something. God has impressed it upon my heart to preach on the topic, too desperate to be denied. And if you are desperate for any move of God in your life, for God to tear down, cramp and paralyze, and to turn things around for you, to lift up a standard, mighty God, in your life, we want you to be a part of that service. So call us 424-203-405. God is moving. He said you are too desperate to be denied. And when you call the prayer line, you will be delivered. Trust me, a message line up to tear down, cramp and paralyze the enemy and turn things around for you. 2014 is your year. You are too desperate to be denied. So make sure you call 424-203-8405 and the access code is 375044 and press the number sign and you are in. Once you dial up, you are in for your deliverance. You are too desperate to be denied. 10 p.m. this Thursday, the 2nd of January 2014, Minister Palmer will be your preacher on the prayer line. So make sure you call in. And if you have a prayer request throughout that day, inbox any one of the committee members and we will take your request and pray over it. We have seen so many people in 2013 that have been delivered through the prayers that the intercessors have prayed. And we have seen so many souls being transformed. We want to see yours. Come out of the slum. Get out of the darkness. What is your desire? Let me tell you, man, you are too desperate to be denied. Call the prayer line 10 p.m. this Thursday night on the Intercessory Prayer Line 424-203-8405 and the access code is 375044. Press the number sign. Let me tell you, man, God is moving. Let him move in your life. Start 2014 right. Peace and love. Call us. We're looking forward to hearing you on the prayer line. God bless.